Evening, dear children. Today we'll start the second part of our workbook, and we'll talk about the question number C. We'll discuss that very question. And question number C says, "Let me choose, Bassanio, let me choose, for I am leave upon the rack, Portia. Upon the rack, Bassanio, then confess what treason is there mingled with your love." So let us discuss the questions. Why is Bassanio impertinent to choose? That means so much anxious to choose. What does he mean? I live upon the rack. Bassanio is ready to choose as early as possible since he is in great tension and he is unaware of the uncertain future. Now he wants to choose early instead of living for 1 or 2 months or 1 or 2 more days in tension. So he cannot bear the tension of the future anymore. Second part. What does it mean by I live upon the rack? I live upon the rack means I am living in extreme tension or extreme pressure. No need to explain the illusion related to this one unless it is asked. If it is asked what is the illusion related to it, then only you can discuss. Now, dear children, when I am saying this answer, you do write down, pause it and write, pause it and write. In this way, you can complete the workbook. Question number 2. Why does Portia ask what treason there is mingled with your love? What treason there is mean? What cheating is there? What impurity? Treason means impurity. Is there with mingled with your love means mixed with your love. Since Bassanio said he is living in rack, this tension. So Portia felt that Bassanio's love is not pure. There is some impurity mixed in Bassanio's love. So that is question number 2. First part. Second, explain with reference to the conversation. Reference to the conversation taking place. Explain with reference to the conversation taking place. Now the conversation taking place there at Belmont, and the context is that Bassanio wants to choose the game of casket, play the game of casket as soon as possible, while Portia wants him to stay there at Belmont for few more days. So that is the primary contradiction between them. So that is the context. Bassanio wants to choose and Portia wants him to wait for 2 or more days. That is the basic contradiction or the context taking place. Question number 3. What or who was stopping Bassanio from choosing? Portia was stopping Bassanio from choosing. That is who and what. Since Portia wants Bassanio to be with her for a few more days, she wants Bassanio to wait further. What was the reason for it? Reason was that Portia wants to have Bassanio's company before Bassanio risks his life in the game of casket. Answer should be appropriate, no need to exaggerate. If you find the answer, I am speaking fast. What you should do, you should pause it, write, again you pause. In that case, you can reverse and forward. So next, that is done. Now next, what is Portia's response to Bassanio's answer? To Portia's question that Bassanio should wait a day or more, Bassanio wants to choose what was the reply? Bassanio replied that he wanted to choose the casket as early as possible since he is in tension. So that is the reply. Next, and what happened to that? What is Portia's response to it? Portia said that that there is impurity mixed with Bassanio's love. That was Portia's comment. Comment on Portia's wit in this line. Wit means intelligent remark. Now, intelligently later, Portia acted like an executioner and Bassanio as convict or criminal. So they had a role play here, that Portia as executioner, Bassanio as a criminal. And she was very witty in this line, means very intelligently remarked in this line while saying impurity is there in his love, and while saying that confess and leave. So we can say that Portia was very witty in these lines while mentioning Bassanio about the treason mixed in his love, or while playing a specific role of an executioner with Bassanio. Next, how does Portia appear in the opening lines of the scene? Here in the opening lines, we did not get that Portia whom we used to see. Okay, at the opening line, we saw Portia as very subdued character. It is the shadow of Portia, not the original Portia. Very silent, very much submitted to Bassanio. But in this line, we got Portia back in her form, the original Portia, full of intelligence, full of knowledge, and full of wit. Wit means witty remark, that means remarks, small remarks, which are very wise and intelligent. So we got back Portia in her regular and original form. So what is written? How do they contrast with this line? Now, how to contrast? This line unfolds Portia's real character as witty and intelligent. In the previous lines, she was very much subdued and she looked like the shadow of her original self. D. So this is the end of question number C. D. Away then, I am locked in one of them. If you do love me, you will find me out. Nerissa and the rest stand aloof. That is D. Page number 140. Now let us open page number 141. First question, who is Portia talking to? Portia is talking to Bassanio. What exactly is locked in one of them? Portia's picture is locked in one of them, means one of the caskets. How does Portia want the person to appear in defeat and in victory? If Bassanio gets defeated, then the music will be melancholic, just like the last song of a swan, SWAN. If Bassanio gets defeated, the song will be melancholic, just like the last song of a swan, SWAN. And if he wins, that means in case of victory of Bassanio, the music will be very ceremonial one, just like the music that is played on the dawn of the marriage, just like the music that is played on the dawn of a marriage ceremony. Okay, so these are the two types of music. Why does she want this person to appear like this? This lady, that means Portia, really loves Bassanio and wants to have him as her life partner. That is why she wants this person Bassanio to appear like this. What else does Portia compare the music to, apart from that mentioned in the two lines? Now, those two lines, what is mentioned? Wait a minute, it is mentioned. Okay, one is that her eye will be the stream, that is mentioned. You should open your book, page number 140. Already two are mentioned. One is the true subject about to name new crown monarch. So question is, what else does Portia compare this music to? Apart from those, once it is mentioned here as the singing of the swan, and another time it is mentioned as the ceremonial one, the way the king is accepted by the common people. So the further he compared the music to the morning music, or the music that is played exactly on the morning, at the morning of marriage. Okay, Portia compared this music of Bassanio's victory as the music of marriage music that is played especially during dawn to encourage the bride to get ready for his marriage. Question number 4. Portia says, if you do love me, you will find me out. Is her fate then not depend on a lottery? What had Nerissa said in Act 1, Scene 2 in this regard? Now, is her fate? Yes, obviously her fate depends on lottery. But at the same time, we should know that a person who does not love her properly, that person will not get her. Now, in that case, what is there? Love is more important than fate. Now, to certain extent, this is a kind of sentimental statement. So write, what will you write? This is a sentimental statement which Portia, with which Portia supports herself, and make her understand, make her feel good that Bassanio is going to have her. Full stop. What had Nerissa said in Act 1? Act 1 scene 2, Nerissa told Bassanio that the person who really loves Portia will get a hand. So why did she say? Because Portia's father was very virtuous person, and at the time of death he was assisted by the angels. So obviously Portia will not be owned by someone who is unworthy. Question number 5. The music that plays accompanies a song. What is the message of the song? The message of the song that was played just before the selection was that a person who loves by soul, that means who loves the outward beauty, his love is not long lasting. With the course of time, the beauty will fade and love will also die at the place where it was born. So the summary of the song is that we should love or value the internal beauty instead of external beauty. So these are 2 questions done today. Question number C and D. Question number E you should try at home. If you have any doubt in doing that one, do message me back. I'll try to help you out in doing that one. Now again, I would like to remind you that while writing answer, you should not be in hurry. You should follow the method of, which method? The to the point answer. If you get any problem regarding any question, to take the photo of that question along with question number and page number, I'll send you the answer of that very question. Thank you very much, dear children.